Well guys, today I'm on the MSC Seascape and I'm fixing to do a video walking tour of the fitness center, or the gym as the sign says behind me. So let's take a look. Yeah, looks like they've got all kinds of balls, like free weights. I don't work out much. I don't know what these machines are actually called, but they've got TV screens on, or at least, or maybe it shows you how to use them. It's a sport day, so there's not many people in here. Turn around back, head the other way. Like they got some rowing machines, and like they got a lot of treadmills. You can sit here and watch the screen, look out at the ocean at the same time. Looks like they got a bunch of bicycles. Got some stair climbers. I'm gonna go over here and just do one big spin back so you can kind of see what it looks like. Right side, and just do a pan around. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little video walking tour of the gym. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos here at the end of this video. Till next time, happy cruising.